In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Shareit app on Android. By the end, you'll have Shareit installed and ready to move files quickly and without using your mobile data. Shareit is a popular tool for transferring files between phones and PCs. It can share photos, videos, apps, and documents, and it does it much faster than Bluetooth by using a direct wireless connection between devices. It works on most Android phones and tablets, and for the fastest transfers, it typically relies on Wi-Fi direct permissions, which enable that speedy device-to-device link. Let's get it onto your device. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. This is the official app store for Android, and it handles the download and installation safely. Once you're in the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type Shareit, just like it sounds. Spelling it correctly helps you find the official listing quickly. In the search results, look for the app titled Shareit, Transfer, Share Files by Shareit Technologies Co-Bundled. Picking the correct developer ensures you're getting the authentic app with all the expected features and updates. Tap that listing to open the app's page. Here you can preview screenshots, read the description that highlights its fast transfer speeds and offline sharing, and quickly check reviews if you want a little extra confidence before installing. When you're ready, tap Install. The Play Store will begin downloading the app. You'll see a progress bar while it's working. A stable internet connection will make this go faster, and having a bit of free storage space on your device helps the installation complete smoothly. Once the download wraps up and the installation finishes, you'll see the Open button appear. Go ahead and tap Open to launch Shareit for the first time. With the app open, you're set to start exploring its features. Shareit lets you transfer files between phones and PCs, share photos, videos, apps, and documents, and send files without using mobile data. Because it uses a direct wireless connection, transfers are typically much faster than Bluetooth. For the best performance, the app may request permissions related to Wi-Fi and nearby device connections. These enable that high-speed link so your files move quickly and reliably. That's it. You opened the Play Store, searched for Shareit, selected the official Shareit, Transfer, Share Files app, installed it, and opened it. You're now ready to enjoy quick, convenient file sharing on your Android device.